I'm Russ Sullins. I work for INSURICA. I'm the Assistant Vice President of Information Technology. We're an insurance brokerage firm, but we also help our clients with insurance risk management and helping them be successful as well. We do a lot of acquisitions and mergers, and it works so well to be able to have the phone system on the ready. And when we come in, we can make a very smooth transition. The change is easy for those new colleagues. So it's really attractive to have that in your pocket when you're working with someone in an acquisition situation. Now, when we use this system and put it in place, we have 100% confidence it is going to work. And it's so easy to deploy. Even folks on our team who are not telephony experts or have a telephony background, we can very quickly teach them how to manage the system and everything, and it makes life better for us. A few years back, we had Hurricane Harvey on the Gulf Coast. We have several offices in the Gulf Coast Texas region. And of course, Hurricane Harvey came in. It was worse than I think anybody expected it to be. Several of our offices were impacted, as well as our clients. So it's hard to service your customers when your own workforce, your own colleagues, are trying to take care of their personal business and their homes and their families and all that. So we were really easily able to pivot, move those call volumes, redirect things further inland to some of our other Texas offices and Oklahoma offices. Our clients, never knew, other than I'm talking to someone different, and yeah, I know, the person I usually talk to and wherever is unavailable. We have everything else in the cloud, so we're able to service our clients and give our fellow colleagues time to get their lives back together after that weather incident down there. It's the fact that GoTo keeps investing in their systems, and we have a really good, solid, reliable, easy to use system. And now we're layering on AI and the things, when we see these new tools and we try them in small ways and learn how to use them, it's exciting. It's cool to see. Here are things that we never even thought about before that we're seeing data from, so that we're more aware of what's going on and just the new tools, the AI features. There's a lot more to come. We're using it a little bit in our own internal help desk for our IT staff. We take care of all of our colleagues out of our help center in Oklahoma City. And so we take care of over 800 of our fellow colleagues, and they call in to our IT help desk. So we have them on the call center platform. We just haven't had it on very long, but we've got the AI turned on, and it's so great to see that sentiment because it helps us not only train our team, but also see if there's something else going on, just to get a flavor, kind of a co-pilot in the seat next to you, if you will, because you can't listen to all calls or anything like that, but you can get this information and do something good with it to make it better, because our help desk team is kind of the face of our company to all of our colleagues, and we want to make sure that experience is good for them and make sure, they're getting all the things that they need to help service our clients.